The 5-inch proximity evaporation coater is a rapid heat treatment furnace, and its furnace chamber is a 12-inch diameter quartz tube. This device is specially designed for thermal evaporation or top and bottom and has a maximum heating rate of 20 °C. Heat method is adopted for temperature adjustment, and 30 temperature rise and fall programs can be set. There is an RS485 interface installed on the instrument panel, which can be equipped with control software to import the heating program and temperature curve into the computer. It is an ideal experimental tool for exploring the new generation of thin-film solar cells, such as CdTe, sulfide, and perovskite solar cells.